Hello everyone, welcome to Study Space. Today in this video we are going to learn that how to find square of any number between 1 to 100 in just 5 seconds. Yes, in just 5 seconds. After solving few examples, you will be able to do it in just 5 seconds. Initially it may take time, okay? And you all know that it is very useful for all miscellaneous exams, whether it is related to some school or anything. Okay, any competitive exams like MPPSC, UPPSC, etc. Okay, so let us start. Now this is a small disclaimer, okay, so please go through it. So before moving towards the video, I would just request you all to just subscribe this channel, share this video if you like, okay, please make your comments on this video, okay, and like it, obvious. Okay, at the end of this video there will be few questions, so you can definitely give the answers in the comments for them. Okay, so let us move. Now this is a kind of power booster, okay, a small quote which is relevant to the situation. The greatest power is often simple patience. Okay, so you should understand that right now the one who is powerful is the one who have patience. Okay, so the situation is not that good for everyone, so you have to keep hold on it, you have to be patient enough, then only you'll be powerful. So please keep this thing in your mind. Now let us start with our trick. Okay, so I'll be solving few questions in front of you. Okay, I won't be telling any trick. You just observe how am I solving, then after that I'll be telling you that how to do it with the trick. So if I start with 83 square, it will be 6409. So 83 square is 6889. Okay, I'll be telling you the trick quickly. You just keep a hold on the video. Next, let's move on to 57 square. So it will be 25, 49, and so 3249 is the square of 57. And lastly, let us move on to 93 square. So 8649 is the square of 93. Now you may be amazed that how am I writing the squares so quickly? So let me tell you the trick now. Now once again, if we start with 83 square, first what you have to do? First just write the square of 8. Hopefully everyone knows that. So it is 64. Then square of 3. Okay, now 3 square is 9. So 9 is a single digit number, so it will be written as 09. Okay, and then you have to multiply these digits. Means 8 into 3 into 2. So 8 is a 24, 2 is a 48. 48 will be written by leaving first place. Okay, so if you will write by leaving the first place, then only you'll get the correct answer. This is a trick. So now we have to just add it. So it will be 9, 8, 8 and 6, and here is your answer. So I hope that you all like this trick. Let us move on to 57 square using the same method. Next, let's move on to 57 square. So it will be 25, 49 and so 3249 is the square of 57. Likewise, let us try for 93 as well. So for 9 it is 81, 9 square is 81, then 3 square is 9, so I'll be writing 09, 9 3s are 27, 2s are 54. Now simply we have to add it. So 9, 4, 6 and 8. 8649 is the square of 93. So in this manner I got all my answers. So now it is time for you to practice. So let us move on to a set of few more questions to practice this. Now next we have to find 37 square. So 3 square is 9. Okay, 7 square is 49. Now since 3 was at the first place, we will write only 9. If you want you can write 09, but that doesn't make any difference. 3 sevens are 21. 21 into 2 is 42. 42 will be written by leaving the first place, as we used to do in the previous question. So 9, 6 and 13. 1369 is a square of 37. 46. For 46, 4 square will be 16, 6 square will be 36, 4 6 are 24, 2 are 48, so 6, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 will be carry forwarded, 7 plus 4 is 11, and 2 will be there. So 2116 is a square of 46. Let us move on to 76 now. So 76 square, 7 square will be 49, 6 square is 36, 7 6 are 42, 2 are 84, 84 will be written like this, 6, 7, 7 and 5. So 5776 is a square of 76. So I know that you all must have learned this method so far. So in this manner, you can literally find square of any number between 1 to 100. Keep that in mind, any number between 1 to 100. Now, I'll be writing few questions over here whose answers I want to be posted in comments. So please find the squares of those numbers using the same trick and then you can post it in the comment section. So first you have to find the square of 92, then post the square for 77, and then at last we can just have a square of 59. Okay, so please post the squares of these numbers in the comments so that I can understand that you have learned this trick. So we'll see you again with some more tricks. Hopefully you understood everything. Thank you and bye bye.